The reason for the error handling is if the user should hit the cancel button, an error will occur. Let me just deactivate these two statements by highlighting these two statements and clicking the comment block button. If I then run by pressing F5, this particular, and go cancel, this is when I get the error 424. If you know what the error number is, you can handle it. And so what this basically says is there's an error handling section, and if the error number equals 424, then we can exit the sub-procedure because they chose cancel. So I'm going to go end, and then I'm going to uncomment by hitting the uncomment block, and I'm going to run it again, F5, and I'm going to cancel. Unfortunately, there's a statement missing, and so we still end up with an error. So I'm going to go end. We have to tell it immediately after the sub-statement, on error, go to error handle. It doesn't know to go there unless we tell it to. So if there's an error at any point in time, starting from the beginning of the sub-procedure, it will go to this section called error handle. If it's the error number 424, it will exit the sub. So let's test it now. I'll press F5, I'll go cancel, and no problem, done. So the error is now handled because we knew its number was 424.